Hi friends, welcome. I'm working on a wreath tonight for my door, and I thought I would bring you along and show you what I'm doing. I just wanted something really simple, really easy, really quick. So I think I have something that, if that's what you're looking for, I think you're going to like this. I just have one of the 14-inch wreath forms from Dollar Tree. You're going to need one of those. And you are going to need 3 of the tinsel garland. Now this is red, blue, and silver, but the one that I'm actually using is going to be red, white, and blue. It's white instead of the silver. It's just these little white pieces here. So you're going to need 3 of those. These are from Dollar Tree as well. You are going to need some wire, and any floral wire or even a pipe cleaner or something like that would do. Would work fine. This is the 22 gauge painted wire. I believe I bought this at Walmart a few years ago. A lot of this stuff I've had in my stash forever. These little bits and pieces and stuff, I'm just trying to use these up. So there's that, and I have about a 7-inch length of that cut off. You'll need wire cutters to cut that, and then you're going to need some scissors. And so I will show you what I have done here just to save some time. Okay, I have my garland already on my wreath form, and you see there, it's pretty much the same front and back. And all I have done, I have taken the garland and I've just wrapped it around the wreath form, and I'll show you how. I'll show you how I started it. I just took the end, and on the inside section here, this is wired, by the way. This tinsel garland is wired. So that's one of the things I like about this. You don't have to use hot glue or anything. This just attaches. You just want to wind this around. Let's see, let me get in frame here. You just want to wind this around a few times so that it will hold. And then you want to take this, of course you're going to, take the packaging off. But you're just going to start this, and you're going to wind this around. All the way around, just like that. Okay? And then you just kind of pull that tight as you go. Move it kind of close. Okay? That's all you're doing. Okay, and when you get to the end down here, you're going to finish off the same way. You're just going to wire this around. That's all I did. You're going to do that with all 3 pieces. And then when you get those, all 3 sections of, all 3 lengths of your garland on, you'll just come back through here and you can move these a little bit on the form and just fluff them up and get them how you want them. And that's all there is to that. Then I have this piece that's from Dollar Tree also, and it just has a piece of jute twine attached to it up here. But I'm going to cut that off. I'm going to take that out, and I'm going to put my wire through there. There's a hole right here. Just put your wire through there, just like that, and you can give that a twist or 2 if you want. I guess it wouldn't be totally necessary, but we can. Okay, just like that. And then all I'm going to do is attach the star right to the center. And I'm going to come up here and find one of the sections of the wreath, right there. Right there's a section. And then I'm just going to put this wire through. Just like that. And I'm just going to wire that tight. You want to put a few twists in there, and then of course you will want to, you'll probably want to trim that extra wire off. I'm not going to for now, but I can go back and do that if I choose to. So there's your wreath. And if you want to add a bow, you can. But I think this turned out really pretty. It's just so quick and easy. So you've got $5 in a wreath. So anyway, just thought I would show you this little quick wreath. Maybe you guys will want to give it a try. If you do, let me know in the comments. See, I'd like to see how you guys did yours. You can put different things on, on the inside, or as I said, you can put bows on it or whatever. So anyway, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. As always, be blessed and happy trails.